Benefits of olive oil to get glowing skin. Olive oil is great for cooking and extremely healthy. However, it can also solve your skin care woes and has a wonderful effect on your skin. You can use olive oil for glowing skin and improving skin texture. Olive oil is considered the closest oil to match the chemical structure of our skin's natural oils. Apart from providing glowing and healthy skin, it also helps in fighting other skin problems such as blackheads and whiteheads. Rich in antioxidants. Olive oil contains plenty of antioxidants such as oleic acid and squalene that help in protecting the skin from the harmful impact of free radicals which tend to hasten the process of skin aging. Moisturizer. Olive oil can be used as a natural moisturizer as it contains essential fatty acids. It maintains the skin's elasticity and tends to keep it smooth, supple, and glowing. Cure for blackheads and whiteheads. Olive oil is a natural cure for blackheads and whiteheads. It unclogs the pores by absorbing the impurities accumulated, thus taking care of the whiteheads and blackheads. Healing and rejuvenating. With regular massage of olive oil, it can fade away scars and pimple marks, thus making your skin blemish-free. Antimicrobial in nature. It can help treat skin infections as it exerts antimicrobial activity against a variety of bacteria, fungi, and viruses.